Hi guys, here's a quick video that shows all the main features of our bike repair station. Tools on steel cables, tie levers, screwdriver, flat spanners, adjustable spanners, Torx key set and a hex key set. Useful guide on the side, anti-scratch bike grips, stainless steel piston, 2 valves, prester and shrouder, rubber coated steel hose, integrated pressure gauge, enclosed steel body, wheel chock with rubber grips to prevent scratching, more rubber grips, range of standard 3 colours, custom branding, friendly partner company. Thank you 5 at Heart. Thanks for watching our video. Check out more cool features on our website, especially the bike repair station map.